Everyone, Nick here from Surrey, BC, and Tested for Life in Canada program by Canadian Tire has sent me this Chemical Guys Butter Wet Wax to test out. I've put the product to the test by waxing the vehicle, and today, right now, I will show you how easy this product is to apply and how easy it is to wipe off on this panel here. I've left this deliberately unwaxed for this demonstration. So for this, you're going to need the Chemical Guys Butter Wet Wax, an applicator pad, and a microfiber towel to remove it. So here we go. Very easy to pour out. Squeeze the bottle. You don't really need a whole lot. Just a little bit. It goes in nice and smooth. Spread it out nice, thin, evenly. Circular up and down motion. Little goes a long way. And next, it'll dry off to a little bit of a haze. And you just wipe it off just as easy, just like that. Turn the microfiber cloth over again. Up and down motion here. And there you have it. Nice and easy to use. Creates a nice, very slick, buttery, smooth surface. No residue, and the reflection is slightly a little bit better than before. So would I recommend this to my family and friends? Absolutely. The product is very easy to use. It's got a very pleasant smell to it. So it is a, as the name implies, butter wet wax, and it is pretty slick like butter, and it has a bit of a wet sort of look and texture to it. Easy to apply, easy to take off, pleasant smelling, very easy to use. Definitely recommend it. You should pick yourself up one.